Hi, good morning everyone. It's Deborah from Cosmetics for Confidence. Today I want to show you just very quickly a little video of this fantastic new product. It's the Perfect Brow Powder Liner and it really helps create natural looking brows. Now you can see I've done that one and not this one, so I'm just going to show you what it's like. You pull it out and you've got the little tip and you can really define your brow if you want. So I'm just going to lightly now just take that across, okay, and you can see you can just fill it in as much as you want, as dark as you want, and you can create the depth and definition that you're looking for, but it's just so soft, and I think this is absolutely fantastic because it just looks so natural as well. So there you go. So this is absolutely brilliant. It's on offer at the minute. It's currently £4.50, and we've got a really good deal on as well at the minute, that if you spend £10 in the brochure you get this amazing little makeup gift set. Okay, so you get this drawstring bag, so no longer searching in the bag for your lipstick or for your eyeliner at the very bottom, so you can just open it right out and see what do you get inside. Well, you get the nude range of lipstick. You get this one here, which is what I've got on. It's the nude suede. So no, you don't. You get the Lush Cocoa, I think. Anyway, sorry. You get the eyeshadow powder, warm cashmere, okay. You get the nail varnish as well, and you also get an eyeliner, cosmic brown. So you get 4 items in the bag. It's absolutely fantastic offer, and that is for just spending, you get that for £10 if you just spend £10 across various pages in the brochure on makeup. Another item that could help you make up that £10 that you need to spend would be this new bronzing block, and you can see there's 5 different shades there, so you can choose just to use one particular colour, or you could just swirl your brush over like I'm going to do now, and just create a bit of colour there, and you can just bring that across your cheekbones and create a lovely little glow and bit of a highlight. So absolutely fantastic. This is currently £6, but it's going to be, I think, £10 at full price. So if you got this and you got the brow powder liner, then you've spent your £10 and you can get that whole makeup set, which is worth £34 for just £10. Okay, so catch you later. Thanks everyone. Bye for now.